we're in Headingley. This is a build that we designed with the client, so that was a real cool experience for us. The plans here are to take this all the way to the turnkey for our client, and this is just going to be a really good learning experience for us. It's a little uncommon yet for someone to use ICF all the way to the rafters. Basically, what we're trying to do is create a home that will almost become a passive home just because of its insulation value and how airtight it will be. The benefits to that are obvious. It's a non-combustible home. The ICF reduces any chance of mold or mildew, things like that people just maybe are offsetting the cost of a wood structure to that when the long-term costs are completely determined, starting with insurance costs and so on and so forth. So the viability of something like this is actually surprisingly comparable when you're looking at opportunity costs on the build and things like that. We believe that the ICF benefits outdo the cost difference, so we try to explain that to our clients, and with knowing that energy codes are going to be increased and they continue to be increased, this is just an option that we are trying to take ahead of the curve with predictions of the 2030 energy code being extreme. So this is going to become a solution to that problem, and we're doing it before it's becoming mandatory. Second floor prep has started here. We've switched now to a 4-inch ICF block, mainly to reduce our concrete costs. The structural integrity of the home relies on the 8-inch foundation for the basement, but now that we're just using it as an exterior wall, the 4-inch core just makes a whole lot more sense for cost and viability. So as you guys can see, this is an 8-inch ICF block. This is a 4-inch ICF block. The difference in the two is the amount of concrete that goes in between. Our rebar schedule is the exact same. We'll go to 220 mil rebar at the top and bottoms, and then 10 mil horizontal bars along the way. Like I said, this is typically used for a foundation. Anything that's structural below grade that will have any sort of bearing weight from backfill. And the 4-inch is typically used for an above grade exterior wall, or even sometimes firewall functions as well, to replace any sort of mason or fire rated walls. So things have been going very well here. Once we kind of get the window openings cut out and formed and pour that bottom row, you'll see things starting to go a whole lot quicker. So we're really looking forward for that step and seeing how high this building sits once we've got it up to the rafters.